Friend, are you into Marvel movies?
Very much so.
You've seen most of them? I find them entertaining. I don't know anything about anything, but you know, action.
It's just so funny that that's the new wave. Like,
they're so successful.
Yes, definitely so. It's very funny that that's the new wave, and I'm very happy to see that. As a matter of fact, I heard that Black Panther 2 is they're putting the finishing touches.
Definitely happening,
and it's definitely happening. That was a phenomenon because I remember when Black Panther came out, we all came with dashikis and we had the
world welcome Wakanda.
You know, we started. I think that's when a lot of us started to be black.
That summer.
That summer. So
that exact summer.
Ooh, this Kente cloth look good on me.
It's so good. I've got Disney Plus and I watch it all the time.
It's a very good movie and it's well done. And I actually hear that they're coming out with, you know, as I told you, Black Panther 2, and Beyonce's going to be involved.
Okay.
So, and word is she's coming as, she's going to be Storm, and Storm is going to be the love interest of Black Panther. So, basically... Wait,
so Storm, like Halle Berry Storm, that's the same part of the Wolverine stuff?
Yes. Yes, the legend is Storm and Black Panther, you know, they was fighting crowd, they saw each other, and, you know. It just couldn't happen.
Okay.
So that's what the, you know, I will tell you that the Marvel heads would come in and correct me, but there was some type of, they actually was like the folklore is they actually had like a wedding and everything. So,
in the comic? Like,
yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, so you're going to hear a lot of, so probably right here it's going to be like, well, actually, they didn't really get married, but come on.
Warning, nerd alert. Nerd alert.
So,
but okay, so how does the world feel about this announcement? Has it been announced? I'm assuming Twitter has taken it to
like they're basically saying that she's going to be Storm, and as of now, that's like the hot rumor. Yeah. So again, when this comes out,
so I think what my question is. Excuse me. And let me know if you agree or disagree. I feel like Beyonce's such a big star.
Yeah.
Can she be another character?
You know,
and you not always see Beyonce, like, you know.
And that's what people are saying.
Is that what
that's what people are saying? Where, like, you know, man, as far as like
always gonna be like Beyonce as Storm. You know? Like, I feel like that kind of happened with even Lion King. So wait, what's that your Beyonce?
That's my Beyonce. Freeze y'all. Okay. That being said.
Okay, ladies, now let's get information.
So they're like, hey, Beyonce, you know, she can't act. And
they're saying that.
They're saying that
she's been in a lot of movies though.
Beyonce equals money. So that's what it like
I know.
I'm not to say like I'm on a wild wavelength, but like
Bianca.
Yeah. I'm so used to saying the word Bianca. Beyonce is she is money.
So what about the music though? I mean, I'm sure she's gonna
I'm definitely like that. Yeah, so like that's it. Because I think like basically Kendrick Lamar and his crew had they had
the first one too.
Yeah, and it did well, man. And
he's collaborated with Beyonce.
Yes.
Too,
so and you know she moves in silence. She's going to be so I would but she equals money. So guys, look, Disney likes money. But it's such a gap between like when it comes to black actresses.
Yes.
Like, you know.
So what do they want an unknown?
I think a lot of people...
We're having a discussion on a gravel road.
Yeah. I'm sorry I moved down. When I moved south, I moved south.
Just enjoy this.
Yeah. Talk amongst yourselves, you know? Okay. So, but as far as Beyonce, like she equals money, she's...
Maybe it'll just be a small phone.
No, like...
Sorry.
So, yeah, I know. So, but like, there's such a differences. There's Regina King and Regina Hall, and then it drops, and then like that's it. I didn't want to see Kerry Washington as Storm. You know, so we have to pick and choose. Yeah.
But we saw her. No, me, pal. I'm just saying. I'm not.
Lay low.
Lay low. But my name have been. That's
send your emails and hey messages to me.
Add Chris.
Yeah.
Oh wow. But Halle Berry put off Storm.
Halle did a very good job with Storm, man.
But
But
not for
and then
Gabrielle.
yeah. I want Gabby done right by America's Got Talent. And that's where I get off the Gabrielle Union train. That's see, I did that nicely. So, but
We started with a compliment.
yeah. So it's gonna be backhand. But it's not to say I mean, look, it's Hollywood and they want money and you know, foolish enough to want money. So that's why Beyonce got it. And because she knows that. She's bankable. Yeah. Whether we like her or not and everything else, it's not
we
like
love her. But
oh yeah, we love her. But we, you know, probably it's a lot of Beyonce where it's, you know, we hear her audio and then there's us and everything. But she is the business. Like I don't know who else. A very good friend of mine said
Kiki Palmer?
I think that would be great. Tika Sumpter.
Tika Sumpter, she's a star. I'm enjoying her on
Mixes. There's a lot of ish. So,
yes.
Yeah. But no, she's very, very good.
Yeah, she's good too. Oh.
They are options.
You know who really shocked?
No, but not to say none of this for me because I think she'll be great. See, and then now we might be entering like the age discrimination zone. So, because. Which Regina is okay? Regina King. She's No Place Like Home 227.
Yes.
Okay. I will hire Regina Hall for every role, but that's personal. That has nothing to do with Storm. You know.
With Storm.
Yeah. Daddy Sharks like what he likes.
Well, let's see. I mean, it's going to be exciting either way. I don't think one character can flop the whole series.
No, well, look, a lot of great money's given into it, and you know don't throw it at our Sheikies yet. It's coming. So.
But we will keep the receipts.
Yeah, so yeah.
Just in case.
Just in case. So, I'm for her. But
thumbs up for now.
Thumbs up for now, but it's like, you know, but like, I don't know who else could be, you know.
Yeah.
There's
plenty else it could be, but we're just thumbs up for now.
You know, I don't know if she will fit the mold. I'm gonna say this name. I don't know if you know her, Nicole Behari, or.
I don't.
Oh boy, she was in I probably jacked up the name, but you know.
Pose, girl. We talking about you.
Yeah, definitely. You might see a screen picture of her or not, but like we'll see.
We'll see.
Y'all take care.
Thank you.
We really appreciate it. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Wakanda forever. Oh, good. See y'all later.